Dear Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, in the middle of my exam preparation, I have a very important message to you. My name is Tashi and I'm a student of Delhi University. As you know, so far 90 Tibetans have set fire to themselves in protest of Chinese rule, and 27 in the month of November itself. Dear Prime Minister, we all Tibetans living in India are very much aware of India and Indian people's support for us. But now we really want to see that humanitarian support and sympathy in a more concrete political dimension in order to bring effective changes. Dear Prime Minister, we never know when this string of self-immolation gonna stop unless you do something for Tibet. For that reason, here I urge you to join the multilateral forum with the other government leaders to pressurize the Chinese government to end its repressive policies in Tibet. Dear Prime Minister, please break your silence and speak out for the Tibet.